Still working on my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, where have I been? Well, last month, September, it goes so fast, was my birthday month, and I really truly needed a break. But this is just an updated video on an almost 3-month sew-in. Just popping in to let you guys know how the hair is thriving. All the details for this hair will be left below, but I did want you guys to see how I maintain this wave. I'm just gonna press out this little bitty hair we got here, okay? So remember the hair used to be long? Baby, she coming big though. Don't sleep. She coming big. She coming big. Every time I do my eyebrows, I feel like a new woman. I get a little lift. I give me a little lift. And I'm pulling my hair, so I feel like a new woman with an eyebrow done, honey. And I do it myself. I pluck them. And I shave them, so. Girl, she coming big. So all the girls that don't want you to have 4C hair. If you trying to gatekeep 4C hair, it's something wrong. And I'm not saying you can have it like, it's not that serious, babe. Like, we all have, like, I don't know if you think we came out of our mama with, I don't know, maybe I did, girl. I don't know, maybe I know how I came out of my mama. I don't know. I could not, listen, if the lighting keep moving and stuff, it's because I have my arms up, and so I block it. Like, I can try to. It's been over 2 months, going on 3, with this hair in October, and it has just been getting better and better. And I just feel like with this hair, if you remember from back in the days when raw Indian hair was a real thing, the more you wash it, the better the hair gets. And so what I notice is that this hair thrives once it's clean and it's put away. I'm just showing you how the curls pop. But in order for me to maintain these curls, I do have to like put them away. It does hold its wave, but then it can get a little bushy. So what I tend to do is plait my hair up at night so I can maintain these waves. And this is just as low maintenance as it gets. It's gorgeous. So if you stay to the end, I'll show you how I plait and curl the ends so that I can just maintain these waves, so I can just get up and go. The hair looks so luscious and gorgeous. I'm truly obsessed, and there is nothing like freshly washed hair. I don't know if you guys are like me. Once I wash my hair, I literally don't want it to touch the outside air. I try to wrap it up while I'm out as much so I can just enjoy it being freshly washed. But once it touches the environmental impurities and just the environment period, it's a donezo for me. I'm actually over it. But right here, this is like day 2 of freshly washed hair. And yeah, it's still thriving. I'm just showing you how I'm able to still wear it up if I wanted to, but I promise you I haven't worn my hair up in so long. And yeah, so again, stay tuned to the end. There'll be a little bit of ranting at the end of the video, and I'll show you again how I plait it down just to maintain these beautiful waves.
I'm coming back in the courtroom. We coming back from in the courtroom. When we leave out the courtroom, we go in these little cells behind the courtroom. We sit in these cells. I'm in these cells. We just talking like men, like brothers. Damn, but I kind of can get it with that. I mean, with a gun, because he done betrayed me before. So I kind of get he'll betray me. But I'm looking at Duke, like, Duke my best friend. Duke gonna be the last one of me. Like, you my best friend. I'm John Ross, for John Ross. Duke my man. Duke name tattooed on me. Duke my mans. Them too. That too. These my boys. These my boys.
His name tatted on you. See, I ain't never heard no mess like that in my life. His name is tatted on him? Oh my God.
Duke, please sound crazy. Duke, please saying.
His name tatted on him, girl. Send me last minute tatted your name on them. That's all you need to know. These men are delusional more than women. These men are delusional and they don't like women. These men are delusional and they don't like women. His name tatted on me. His name is tatted on you. That's just why he treated him around like that. Cause honey, is your name tatted on him? Please tell me it is. It's just something he does. Cause he bored and ugly. If it ain't nobody I can call ugly, I'm calling him ugly. I'm sorry. He getting called ugly. Sorry. And I don't care if y'all think he look like this. He don't. And so this is how I prep my hair for bed. And now we're gonna do skincare.
The whole time from that day before, we just sitting in this motherfucker and going through it every day. Damn, wait.